Morning rush hour. 4 trains, 10 backpacks, 192 dead. Madrid. Commuters are heading to work and school. Suddenly, between 7:36 and 7:40 a.m., coordinated explosions rip through 4 packed commuter trains. Steel was torn apart like paper. Train stations turned into improvised field hospitals. The city was paralyzed by the wail of sirens, followed by a heavy, devastating silence. Amidst the tragedy, an unexploded device hidden in a backpack became the key. Prepaid phone cards and explosives traced the horror back to an extremist network inspired by jihadist ideology. One morning changed a city forever. This is Dark Files.